Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. Hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you are interested in that kind of content, subscribe down below. Yes, check out her channel guys. I'll link it down below. So yes, check it out. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to hers. Yeah, and guys, we have a lot of videos planned, especially for Vlogmas. Yeah, but no, it's the far, but we have been planning. Make me really excited for Christmas. So yeah. So yeah, as I said, it is a rainy night, but we are working. We're not sleeping. Ah! And I like my blankets. So yes, guys.
Really?
Anyways, guys, I'm editing. This vlog, as you guys probably already see, because this vlog will come out before this one come out. So if you haven't yet checked this out, check it out. They show you how to make blue jars, pudding and fritters. So guys, if you want to watch that, it was a fun day. We had a lot of cooking in it, so go check it out and leave a like. Excuse me?
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know
I can't really wait, so I'm still up me right now. Ow! Seriously, I'm pushing you.
Now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life.
So this video was an unboxing, and you know, tried everything, did all the necessary stuff, and then ready to edit my video, and the video corrupt. So we're gonna attempt to do this again, even though they're already out of the box. We even threw the box already, the big box. So let us unbox. Let me just show you guys. It's not gonna be really an unboxing again because but I'll show you box. So the first thing I want to show you guys are these they call them here the sun though. I bought these Christmas stencils because I want to be making some things for some persons. So I bought these. I think it came with 8. Yeah, that's 2 of them. We got this one with Santa. We got this Merry Christmas one. This one. This one. I got one with some ornaments. They're so cute though. And then one with some snowflakes. So those came in a pack, and let me tell you guys how much that was for. That was for $5.99, which is basically $6. Yeah, 99 hours upon these things. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna be showing you guys, it's a, what do you call this, a facial scrub brush. So it's a brush that you use on your face. I wanted one because as I said in my previous video, I'm trying to sort out my face because it's yes, I'm trying to sort out my face. It's closed. My sister in the background with her piece of socks them in my background. Them still in there, but anyways. So it comes in this little kit like, and it comes with what, 4 heads, I think 4, yeah, 4 heads, and it uses battery. I think I have the battery in there already. Yeah, I have the battery in there. I stole my father's battery. I don't know if you miss it yet. So get it back. Alright, so this is it, and it feels pretty good on the face when I put it on. So so good. So this is low, and then you have high, but yeah, that's that. So it comes with 4 of these brushes, and I just wanted to start up my skincare, so I started to buy the stuff. So this is one, and I need to buy like the face wash and you know all the other goodies. So yeah, next thing I have to go on my face, I bought this Maybelline Baby Skin instant pore eraser. I've always wanted one of these from actually from just a start out makeup. Me normally people use this, so I'm hoping it's great. I used it the other day on my nose. I never really had nothing but just want to test it. I don't know if I saw any difference. I have no idea, but yeah, that's the next thing I bought. Then I bought some eyelashes. Now everybody will know me because I'm can't put on eyelash, so these are what is Uton magnetic eyelash suits, eyeliner eyelash suite, or whatever this be. So it's a magnetic eyelash. It comes with the eyeliner. I think the eyeliner is what makes it magnetic, and that's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna be trying these in another video, so you guys can stay tuned for that. In another video I will try that out. And then next thing I bought was some glasses. So I bought these glasses. I bought this what is gay, or I can never pronounce these things, Gayo Designers Milan, and they came with 3 glasses. Now one of them is black, one is this color, so this nice what is tiger print, not tiger, what is leopard print. So the leopard print thing, this is for my sister. The leopard print one is for my sister. The black one I might give it away, or I might sell it. I don't know yet, I'm not too sure. And then the clear one is mine. And now these glasses are basically blue light, what's the name, blue light glasses. So when you're using like computer and tablet, and like for me and my sister have to teach online, plus we do YouTube, you know, we have to edit, I thought it was good for me to get one of these because yeah, I'm gonna be needing it. So I've been using it and all. Tell me, look. Yeah. So yeah, I kind of like it. The clear just looks different from what I know, because I normally wear black, so the clear kind of just look a little different. So yeah, and then the final thing I bought was this lighter. I even throw away the box already, so I can't tell you guys. I will put a picture of it here. Now this is like something like one like a Shakay, so it's chargeable. So it comes with a USB, so that you guys can charge it. And this button here, this thing here, you push it up and you realize the light comes on, and then you press this button and you'll see yeah, when I see that. So I bought it because of my candle. I got this candle for my birthday, and using the matches is a pain. So let's see what I do. Well, my brokey. Anyways, I whip me attack. So basically, you just, you know, put it down on it until it lights. So you do that, and it makes it easy. Okay, just hold on to it for a while until it catches, and then yeah, these are me kind of have these that what they it's actually break the wicks and kind of down low, so they had and it's kind of safe because if once you pull down this, it's off, so when you press the button, nothing not gonna happen. So yeah, so that's all I bought. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it to your friends and all. If you guys would like me to do like a Amazon favorites in the future, I will probably be doing that because I do love Amazon, and I've been buying quite a few stuff, and I will be buying quite a few stuff. So I think in the near future I can do an Amazon favorites video. Yeah, so yes guys, until the next video, I will see you. Bye.